The soup hit me before the words did, boiling, stinging, sharp as betrayal itself. Her smile followed, thin and triumphant, the kind people wear when celebrating victories they never earned. That's what you deserve. My son didn't flinch, didn't stand, didn't even look shocked. He just stared at me the way strangers stare at crowds, detached, unmoved. She's right, Mom. And that was the burn that cut deeper than the soup. I didn't argue, didn't defend myself. I simply blotted the steaming liquid from my face, rose from my chair, and walked out of the restaurant. But just before I pushed the door open, I made a call. A quiet call. One I had rehearsed for months. One I never wanted to use. But betrayal runs on its own schedule. They thought that moment was the ending. It wasn't. It was the prologue. I had met my daughter-in-law's family years ago. Her mother greeted me with exaggerated warmth, long hugs, loud compliments, sugar without sincerity. I tolerated it for my son's sake. My son, who once held my arm when we walked, who called every night, who trusted me without hesitation. Then marriage happened, or rather, interference disguised as family. It began subtly, a cold shoulder here, a missed call there. Plans cancelled, excuses polished to perfection, his eyes drifting past me as if I'd become background noise. And then one day he snapped at me for something I never said. His tone, his words, an echo of his mother-in-law. That was the day I knew. Someone else had taken my place. Slowly. Intentionally. People expect tears when they betray you. They expect collapse when your own child turns against you. They got neither. I stayed quiet. But silence is not surrender. Silence is storage of information, of patterns, of motives.